Fresh, homemade bread is no longer something you need to struggle for or rely on expensive bakery runs. Today, smart home cooks are turning to bread makers that deliver perfect loaves with minimal effort. With advanced baking programs, precise temperature control, and easy-to-use designs, these machines let you enjoy warm, fresh bread anytime without the mess or guesswork. Whether you're a beginner or a passionate home baker, the right bread maker can completely transform your kitchen routine. Today, we reveal the top 5 best bread makers that combine convenience, consistency, and great taste for effortless baking at home. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the Elite Gourmet EBM8103B. The Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker is one of the best budget-minded bread makers for basic bread recipes. It's designed to make baking simple, reliable, and completely beginner-friendly, so you can enjoy bakery-style results with just one touch. At its core, you get automatic kneading, rising, and baking, which means you simply add your ingredients, select a program, and let the machine do everything for you. Whether you're new to baking or just want convenience, it takes all the effort out of the process while still giving you consistent, high-quality bread every time. You can bake up to a full 2-pound loaf or choose smaller sizes like 1 pound or 1.5 pounds, depending on your needs. With 19 one-touch programs, you can make more than just basic bread. You can prepare gluten-free bread, whole wheat, French bread, rye, pizza dough, cake, jam, and even yogurt. It gives you real versatility in one compact machine. The experience gets even better with the 15-hour delay timer, letting you wake up or come home to freshly baked bread exactly when you want it. The 60-minute keep warm function ensures your bread stays soft, warm, and ready to serve. Its compact and energy-efficient design is perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who doesn't want to heat a full oven. It saves both time and electricity while still delivering great results. You also get everything you need to start right away, including a non-stick pan, kneading blade, measuring tools, and recipe guidance. If you want a simple, affordable, and reliable bread maker that fits into your daily routine effortlessly, the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker is an excellent choice for fresh homemade bread anytime. The 4th place on our list is the KBS MBF-014A. The KBS 20-in-1 Bread Maker is the best bread machine with advanced programmability. Whether you're a beginner who loves experimenting with different bread styles and custom recipes and want full control, premium performance, and bakery-level results in your kitchen, you can buy this. At its core, you will get 20 upgraded automatic menus that cover everything from French bread, gluten-free bread, Polish bread, yogurt, dough, and even jam. You don't just follow preset programs. You can fully customize every step of the baking process. That means you control fermentation, kneading, rising, and shaping, so your bread always matches your exact taste and texture preferences. The performance is where this machine truly feels premium. With a 650-watt variable frequency motor and 360-degree hot air circulation, you get even baking with a crispy crust and soft, airy interior every time. The intelligent mixing system adjusts automatically to different dough types, helping you achieve that perfect bakery-style window pane texture without effort. With a 4-season constant temperature system that maintains the ideal 38 degrees Celsius rising environment, your dough performs consistently no matter the weather. That's a huge advantage if you want reliable results all year round. The 15-hour delay timer lets you wake up or come home to fresh bread, while the 60-minute keep warm function keeps it soft and ready to eat. Even if there's a power interruption, the 15-minute backup system resumes your baking automatically. The ceramic nonstick pan and stainless steel paddle are designed for durability and easy cleaning, while the touch control panel gives you a modern, smooth user experience. If you want a powerful, intelligent, and fully customizable bread maker that feels truly professional, the KBS 20-in-1 can be your perfect choice. The 3rd product on our list is the Cuisinart CBK-110NAS. If you're looking for the best bread maker for your kitchen with a consistent loaf texture, the Cuisinart bread maker machine can be the perfect solution. It is designed to give you fresh, homemade bread with zero stress and maximum convenience. Right from the start, it feels simple, smart, and beginner-friendly, so you can enjoy bakery-style results without any baking experience. At its core, you get 12 automatic menu options that let you bake far more than just bread. Whether you want white bread, whole wheat, gluten-free recipes, jams, pizza dough, or even cakes, you can handle it all with just a few button presses. It's built to make your kitchen feel more versatile and creative without extra effort. You also get full control over your bread with 3 loaf sizes up to 2 pounds and 3 crust settings, light, medium, or dark. That means you decide exactly how your bread looks and tastes every single time. The LCD keeps everything clear and easy to follow, showing countdown time, cycle status, and your selected settings. Performance-wise, the machine handles mixing, kneading, and baking automatically, so you can just add your ingredients and let it work. The 550-watt motor delivers steady baking power, while the non-stick removable pan and kneading paddle make cleanup quick and easy. What makes it even more convenient is the 13-hour delay start feature, letting you wake up or come home to fresh bread waiting for you. Also, the 60-minute keep warm function keeps your loaf fresh and ready to serve. Its compact stainless steel design also fits easily on your countertop without taking up too much space. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use, and versatile bread maker that fits everyday life, the Cuisinart CBK-110NAS is a strong choice that makes homemade baking feel effortless. The second product on our list is the Neretva PE9806U. The Neretva 3.3-pound bread maker is the best premium bread maker for top-tier performance. If you want powerful performance, larger capacity, and smarter baking features in one machine, you can pick this. From the dual heating system to the fully automatic operation, everything about it feels advanced and reliable. Whether you're baking for a big family, preparing for gatherings, or experimenting with different recipes, this machine handles everything smoothly without any stress. With 15 automatic programs, you can easily make white bread, whole wheat, gluten-free bread, cake, pizza dough, yogurt, jam, and more, all with just a few simple taps on the full touch panel. The large capacity is a major highlight. You can bake up to a 3.3-pound loaf, which is perfect for serving up to 7 to 8 people. Moreover, you can customize your loaf size and crust level to match exactly what you like, whether it's soft, medium, or crispy. With its powerful 850-watt motor and dual 360-degree heating elements, your bread bakes faster and more evenly, giving you a fluffy inside and perfectly golden crust every time. Despite its power, it runs quietly at under 40 decibels, so it won't disturb your home. You also get thoughtful features like an automatic fruit and nut dispenser that releases ingredients at the perfect moment, a 15-hour delay timer for fresh bread anytime, and a non-stick ceramic pan that's safe, durable, and easy to clean. Dual kneading paddles ensure better dough mixing for softer, more elastic results. This bread maker is perfect for larger households and anyone who wants premium features with zero hassle. Do you want a powerful, spacious, and feature-packed bread machine? The Neretva might be your premium choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Osapoto BM8205. The Osapoto 2-pound bread maker machine is the best overall bread maker for making multi-size loaf and crust settings. It combines beginner-friendly controls, powerful performance, and versatile features to give you consistent bakery-quality results right in your kitchen. Whether you're just starting or baking regularly, this machine makes everything feel effortless. You simply add your ingredients, select one of the 17 automatic programs, and let it handle the entire process from kneading to baking. It's smooth, reliable, and designed to give you a high success rate every time, even if you've never baked before. You can choose from multiple loaf sizes, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds, and adjust the crust to your liking, whether you prefer it light, medium, or perfectly crispy. From basic bread and whole wheat to cake, jam, yogurt, and even gluten-free options, you get complete control over your baking experience. The 600-watt motor ensures fast, even baking with 360 degrees heat distribution, giving you a golden crust and soft interior every time. Despite its power, it runs quietly at around 50 decibels, so it won't interrupt your day or your sleep. You also get a 15-hour delay timer, which means you can wake up or come home to freshly baked bread. The keep warm function maintains the perfect temperature, while the non-stick pan makes cleanup quick and stress-free. This bread maker is perfect for families, beginners, and anyone who wants convenience without compromising quality. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use, and highly versatile bread machine, this Osapoto model is an excellent choice. That's all for our list of the top 5 best bread makers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.